You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this crown, this jewel that belongs to the royal family, the crown of Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. It's a crown originally from India. I mean, the diamond at least is Koh-i-Noor. Koh-i-Noor is the English pronunciation. The Indian pronunciation, Koh-i-Noor. Koh-i-Noor in English. How to pronounce Koh-i-Noor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.